Hi, this is Namruth, and I'm a PhD student in IIT Jodhpur pursuing electrical engineering. So in this video, I'll briefly talk about how the Kuku FM does really well. I will fix first if I join, and what in my first 14 days as a management trainee. So I will base this on my actual experience using the app. So what does the Kuku FM really well? So the biggest thing with Kuku FM is really well is its clear focus on vernacular audio content and its diversity. So on platforms like Spotify or Audible, which are largely English based, Kuku FM is clearly built for Indian users from Type 3 and Type 2 cities. So it also has many languages. So who prefer learning and entertainment in their own language. So that itself is a strong and defensible nature. So second, I really like the variety of content on the platform. It's not about content creation or from a business perspective, this helps Kuku FM scale content faster and reduces dependency on a few big creators. So which is important from long-term growth. Another strong point is the use of executive and exclusive AI-assisted content creation. From a business perspective, this helps Kuku FM scale content faster and reduces the dependency on only a few big creators, which is very important for long-term growth. So the overall platform feels it like an understandable audience. And it is solving a real access problem in audio learning and storytelling. So one thing I would fix first if I join in Kuku FM is the first thing I would fix is confusion around the payment and the subscription clarity. So as a new user, it's not very clear which content is free, which content is premium, and which is included in the premium membership, the premium subscription. So some audiobooks turn out to be summaries, and the free versus paid boundary is often visible only after the user starts listening. What if the user is not actually good at using? So we need to have a clear user interface. So this usually happens when a user is already interested in a show. So at that moment, hitting an unexpected paywall feels frustrating rather than scary. So from a business point of view, this hurts in two ways. High intent users drops off instead of converting. So trust takes a hit very early in the user journey. So my proposal is simple. Clear and persistent free or member premium indicators on every content line. And a small message requires a subscription after X minutes on the show details and play section. This enables the users to navigate easily. This does not need any heavy tech changes, but it sets expectations early, reduces frustration and helps users make informed decisions. Users who click premium content after that are already mentally prepared to pay. So what would I do in the first 14 days? As a fresher, my first priority would be understanding before changing anything. So I would spend my time using the app like a real user and noting all the problems faced by the users across different categories and languages. I would closely monitor where users hesitate, where they exist, and where the experience feels confusing, especially around onboarding and the paywall. So I would work with the product or design team to map the exact user journey till the paywall and identify the highest drop-off point. Based on that, I will implement smaller visible clarity changes like labels, banners, and copying the improvements. So I will focus on measuring impact. We can track metrics like free to paid conversion rate and drop-off rate at the paywall to see whether the quality changes are actually reducing the confusion. If the results are weak, I would suggest experimenting with the one episode free premium or not for the first time users, just to build trust with them before asking for payments. So throughout these 14 days, my goal wouldn't be a make big decision, but to learn first, execute small experiments and support the team with data backed insights and improving the efficiency of the app. To summarize this, I believe Kuku FM already has a strong product foundation and a clear audience. So by improving the transparency and reducing the early stage confusion, especially for new users, the platform can convert interest into a trust and long-term retention.